your destination for FRC content, updates, and gaming.
Welcome to the fun.
FRC Updates Now is supported by Stryker Careers. If you are a college student or recent graduate looking for an incredible internship, take a look at Stryker. Stryker provides a housing stipend, great pay, and an opportunity to work with state-of-the-art medical technology equipment. Discover why so many FRC alumni are coming to Stryker for their internship or career at careers.stryker.com.
Up next, we have the South region where we had two events. Our featured event, it was the First in Texas District Waco event, and Tassif will be bringing us this recap, as well as the Fit District Dripping Springs event. Tassif, what took place down in the Lone Star State?
As Jeff said last week during the Week 1 preview, we are heading to the home of the Baylor Bears in First in Texas Waco District event that took place in Waco, Texas this past weekend, featuring 40 teams, 6 of them being rookie teams this 2022 season. This is the first time Waco has had an FRC event since the Brazos Valley Regional 2017. Being in Texas, there were many great teams people had their eyes on, especially 3310 trying to win in Waco as they did in the Brazos Valley Regional 5 years ago. Now, going through 80 qualification matches, a high score was made during the event at qualification match 50, a score of 128 to 22, but that has now been beaten by another event. For the finals rankings, Team 148, the Robo Wranglers, takes the first seed of the event. The Robo Wranglers picked their Team IFI and All Black Everything member, 3310 Blackhawk Robotics, and their third pick was a rookie team, Team 8858 Atlas. Following them, the second seed Alliance captain was Team 624 Kryptonite, who picked Team 3005 Robochargers and Team 7125 Tiger Botics. Now, during playoffs, we had all the teams wearing the red bumpers win through the quarterfinals. But when the semifinals came on, Alliance 1 beat Alliance 4 that were containing two of Team Appreciate's teams, 2468 Team Appreciate themselves, and the Alliance captain being 2687 Team Apprentice. Now, on the other side of the bracket, there was an upset with Alliance 3 beating Alliance 2. Alliance 3 were Team 1477 Texas Torque, and the captains of Alliance 3, and their picks were Team 2881 Lady Cans and Team 4364 Metal Jackets. Going into finals match 1 seemed pretty one-sided, with Alliance 1 beating Alliance 3 with a score of 114 to 55 thanks to 148's and 3310's amazing accurate shooting, their double traversal climb, and 8858 during amazing defense against Alliance 3. During finals match 2, it was anyone's game. The score was bouncing around that I was sitting at the edge of my seat. During endgame, we got double traversal climbs on both sides of the field, but Alliance 1 took the win with a score of 96 to 74. Congratulations to Team 148 Robo Wranglers, 3310 Blackhawk Robotics, and Team 8858 Atlas for winning the First in Texas Waco District event, and congratulations to Team 1477 Texas Torque, Team 2881 Lady Cans, and Team 4364 Metal Jackets for putting up a great fight against Alliance 1. For Chairman's Award, none of us were surprised to see 2468 Team Appreciate winning the Chairman's Award for their great community service and spreading the definition of first within their community. Congratulations to Team 1477 Texas Torque for winning the District Engineering Inspiration Award, and congratulations to Team 8885 Atlas for winning the Rookie All-Star Award. I also want to give a quick congratulations to my former coach from Team 5431 Titan Robotics, Julia Goodwin, for becoming a Woody Flower nominee. And also congratulations to William Holden from Team 2881 Lady Cans for also becoming a Woody Flower nominee. Now, heading a bit south to the First in Texas Dripping Spring District event that actually started a day after the Waco District event did, causing them to end just yesterday. The event hosted 30 teams with no 2022 rookie teams. Now, qualifications ended with Team 6800 Valor taking the number 1 seed, who picked Team 3847 Spectrum, the returning champion of the Dripping Spring event back in 2020. They also picked Team 5503 Smithville Tigertrons for their alliance. Playoffs would go with the Red Alliance winning every playoff. During finals match 2, Alliance 1 scored 88 cargo points, allowing them to make a high score for the event, 119 to 55. Congratulations to Alliance 1, Team 6800 Valor, Team 3847 Spectrum, Team 5503 Smithville Tigertrons for winning the first in Texas Dripping Spring event. Congratulations to Alliance 2, Team 5572 Ross Bots, Team 2882 Panther Bots, and Team 3834 Crab Bots for becoming the finalists for the event. Congratulations to Team 3481 Bronc Bots for winning the Chairman's Award, and Team 8055 EMG Robotics Boss Bots for winning the District Engineering Inspiration Award. We will see all these teams again as this is a week 1 event. Excited to see what improvements team will do after learning and playing on the Rapid React field. Now back to you, Steve.
Thanks, Tassif. So yeah, Waco sure looked like a great event. Home of the Baylor Bears and also Chip and Joanna Gaines for all my HG TV fans out there. Hey, I'm a house flipper. What do you expect? On a serious note, looked like a seriously great event, and super mega congrats to 8858, the rookie team. That's got to be an amazing experience playing with Robo Wranglers and Blackhawk Robotics and winning your first blue banner in your rookie year. Way to set that bar high. Up next, we have Zach, who is bringing us the South preview, which is the Oklahoma Regional. Zach, what can we expect next week in Oklahoma?
The Oklahoma Regional is shaping up to certainly be an event to watch in Week 2. Taking place at the Fire Lake Arena in Shawnee, Oklahoma, this event features 46 teams from 5 states, all geographically surrounding Oklahoma itself. With such high participation, this event will include some of the best teams from Colorado and Missouri, including 1619 Upper Creek Robotics, 1806 SWAT, 3284 Camdenton Laser, 4522 Team Scream, and 5801 CTC Inspire. These out-of-state teams have had years of success entering Oklahoma to secure their blue banner and advancement to Worlds. This list is supplemented by the dark horse team 3616 Team Phenomena, who is looking to get their first event win since 2017. I believe this could be the regional we see their breakout performance. There are 3 new teams at this event, 2 rookie teams and 1 new veteran team. 8511 Android Posse, 8711 Midnight Ostrich Runners, and 2718 Team OKC. I prompt viewers to keep their eyes out for Team 8711, who have had a state championship level FTC program for years, but have now made the leap into FRC. For chairmans, a smattering of teams will be deserving of this award, including 1619 Upper Creek, 2741 Sprockets, and 3284 Camdenton Laser. Will this be the year that Oklahoma will be able to defend their turf at their home regional? We will have to see if any hometown teams can rise above the competition, or if the combined engineering of surrounding states will be too much to match. No matter the outcome, this will be a deep, exciting event, so keep a lookout all week.
Thanks, Zach. So we're going to bring Tassif back in for our discussion breakdown for this week. So Tassif, I've got a question. In Texas in 2020, we saw, I think, 1 team rocking Swerve, 148. This year, it seems like there's a ton of teams using it. Why do you think that is? Do you think it's due to the prevalence of the off-the-shelf kits available now, or is it because of the game this season and the field layout?
I definitely feel like it's the field layout. One of the main concerns at the beginning of the season that I saw was there was Falcons out of stock. Many things are out of stock, which is hard to actually get the kits themselves. But with the field layout and what we saw in 2020 and 2021 during the Texas Cup from 148 and some other off-season bots at the Texas Cup, there was a lot of mobility going on. Teams were moving across the field. During the Plano event that I was there and watched, and 2020, 148 would just stay on their side, going back and forth, picking up power cells and shooting into the power port. They were very accurate, but now during Waco, that I was watching mainly, we saw like 3310, 5431, 3005, 624, and 2468 all doing Swerve, and they were moving around the field, going around that hub, picking up cargo, and just scoring so many cargo. And with the new Rev power distribution hub, you now have 20 slots for motor controllers and motors, and you're able to use all of them for 40 amps instead of the old CTRE power distribution panel that you only allowed to have 8 40 amps. So you just have more capabilities of being able to do Swerve. And I feel like Texas, which has a ton of powerhouse teams, if 118 released their Robo review video, and they're also doing Swerve. So definitely the field being a bit more open, teams being able to move around, just go around the hub, picking up cargo. The mobility and the speed capabilities of Swerve is a huge upside, and why teams are why teams are implementing it into their robots.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a huge advantage. You've got so much more maneuverability, both offensively and defensively. I mean, you can play a lot stronger defense, I think, with Swervebot. You can outmaneuver any other drivetrain, I think. And offensively, you can outmaneuver that defense that another team is putting on you. You can spin off of them and roll out and shoot that cargo in the upper hub. I've seen it a lot in Michigan, even over the last couple of years. You know, we as the Chimera started using it in 2020, and I don't think they'll ever go back unless the game is completely a field where it won't be doable or workable. I mean, it's an amazing. It really increased their mobility and ability to spin off of defense, and I think it's going to be something we see a lot more of in years to come. And I think, especially because of that off the shelf, you know, you've got 3, I think, companies that you can get off the shelf kits from, and they're all really, really good. So yeah, thanks, man. Great discussion. Yeah, thanks, Tyler. So
Thanks to Stryker Careers for their support in this video. If you are a college student or recent graduate looking for an incredible internship, take a look at Stryker. Stryker provides a housing stipend, great pay, and an opportunity to work with state-of-the-art medical technology equipment. Discover why so many FIRST alumni are coming to Stryker for their internship or career at careers.stryker.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.